The sound that we are going to practice in this video is the sound S. Repeat after me. S. 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 In snake. Again, snake. Switch. Again, switch. Sand. Again, sand. Shovel. Again, shovel. Soap. Again, soap. Shore. Again, shore. Sea. Again, sea. Silent. Again, silent. Song. Again, song. What other words have the sound S? S in best. Again, best. Guest. Again, guest. Test. Again, test. Rest. Again, rest. Pest. Again, pest. Beast. Again, beast. Priest. Again, priest. Raisin. Again, raisin. Gasoline. Again, gasoline. What other words have the middle sound S? S in kiss. Again, kiss. Pesos. Again, pesos. Loss. Again, loss. Floss. Again, floss. Grass. Again, grass. Bus. Again, bus. Glass. Again, glass. Pass. Again, pass. Purse. Again, purse. What other words have the final sound S? Now, let's practice phrases with the sound S. Ready? Soapy soap. Again, soapy soap. Salty sea. Again, salty sea. Sweet and sour. Again, sweet and sour. Setting of the sun. Again, setting of the sun. Singing singers. Again, singing singers. Now let's practice sentences with the sound S. Ready? The singer sing on the stadium. Again, the singer sing on the stadium. Seahorses lives on the sea. Again, seahorses lives on the sea. There are many sands on the seashore. Again, there are many sands on the seashore. The students are studying at school. Again, the students are studying at school. Swimmers love to swim on summer. Again, swimmers love to swim on summer. In this video, we practice the sound S. Repeat after me. S. S. I hope you enjoyed watching our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.